When a child gets injured while playing, it experiences pain. And at that time, the child remembers its parents. The presence of the parent gives the child a relief. In the same way, in times of trouble and distress, God's presence is comforting to us. Presence of God in our lives leads us to holiness and also tells us how to attach ourselves to God. In God's presence, we become holy. As God Himself says, "You shall be holy, for I am holy." ഈ നോമ്പുകാലം നമുക്ക് ദൈവസാന്നിധ്യവും അനുഭവിക്കുവാനും ഈ ദൈവസാന്നിധ്യം നമ്മളെ വിശുദ്ധിയിലേക്ക് നയിക്കുവാനും ഇടയാകട്ടെ. May God bless us all.